Aloha, it's me, Dashama, and I'm just excited to share some more practices that I feel can really help you and all of us during this crazy global quarantine. And if you've been feeling any kind of need for the movement of energy, especially like emotional energy, this is a powerful practice I'll be sharing today that can shift your energy. It combines breath work as well as mula bandha, which is your energy locks, and a meditation and a mantra. So this is called a Kundalini Kriya, and Kriyas are designed to help you to shift your energy in a powerful way. So if you just start seated in a comfortable position, and I'm going to describe a little bit about the different aspects, and then we'll get right into it. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click like, and click the little bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video, and share with your friends and get them to join in on practicing Kundalini and yoga and meditation with us, because it's so powerful and can really shift your energy and make you feel amazing. And the important thing that I really want to emphasize is that, practice continuous practices where you're going to get the best results. But in the first time, you can still feel amazing, so give it a try. But if it's a little hard to begin with, stick with it and you will see even better results with time. Okay, oh my god, beautiful. We have these birds flying by here. I'm here in California, and we're on quarantine like everybody else, and I just heard the mayor said that it might be 2 months. So let's all hunker down and get into moving our bodies and feeling amazing. So I'm going to do this practice that I really love to do, and it's a little bit arousing, I'll say, because you're going to be moving in this kind of position. You'll put your hands on your knees, and the mantra is har. And there's 2 ways to do it. So the first way is you keep your hands on your knees, you sit up nice and straight, and you go like this, har, 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 har. So with that version, you're kind of using your knees to pull your shoulders back, and this lets you really open up the spine more. The other version is with your arms like this, and you're just like this, har, 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 har. And this one, it moves more energy in the upper back and shoulders and in your heart. So both of these are really opening for your heart. We're just going to do 3 minutes today, but usually I'll do up to 11 minutes in my teacher trainings or retreats. And so I encourage you, if you want to go longer, if you feel like you have stuck energy in your heart, move that energy. The other thing that I really encourage is if you engage mula bandha, and if you really want to get the most out of the practice, pulse it. So you're just going to pulse mula bandha like this. So it's like you have to go pee, but you're pulling in and up and then squeezing those muscles down there. And that's really going to activate Kundalini energy, and then it'll shift it up into your heart. And as we're moving this energy like this, you're going to feel an expansiveness in your heart. All right, so I'm going to start with my hands on my knees. I'm going to move into this one, and we'll do it for 3 minutes together. So try to stay with it, and try to focus also on your heart center as you do this, and imagine it just expanding, expanding, expanding. Let's begin. Har, 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 the breath for 30 seconds. So take a nice deep breath in, hold it in your heart, pulse mula bandha. And really, amazing job. So I hope you enjoyed that practice, and leave a comment. Let me know if you did this with us and if you like these kinds of practices, and I'll share more Kundalini with you. These practices really awaken your inner Kundalini energy, and this can help you in all areas of your life. If you have any imbalances of your energy or your emotions, or even in sexual energy as well, some people have like sexual energy problems. This can really help you with all of that, especially if you really get into it and pulse the mula bandha. You're gonna see like a lot of energy awakening, and this can be so powerful. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to post more videos like this. Feel free to share this with your friends that can benefit, and click like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.